his hand.
Sit down so you can tell me what you got. That way you can tell Moomy. Thank you, Moomy.
Thank you.
What is that? Oh, you got 2 new cups? Which one's for you?
This one.
What is it on? What's on there?
Spider-Man.
Ooh,
Daddy,
Jojo.
I love these.
You love those?
Yeah.
What else did you get? You got, oh, you love those Cheetos. Sure, you sure do. What else did you get? He likes those better. You gonna pop them?
Yeah.
Pop them.
I can't pop them.
I think you need to try harder. Go. Bam! Sit your booty down and tell me what you got. What are those?
Stickers. Dad, these are stickers.
What kind of stickers? What do you make?
With the papers. Like a dinosaur.
Like a dinosaur or like a robot?
Like a robot.
Okay, what else did you get? What are those things that are right beside your hand? Right there. Right there. Yeah, what are those?
Early in the morning.
That is these.
What are those called?
Cheetos.
And then what else did you get?
Two Cheetos.
One for you and one for Jonah, right?
Yep.
And then what else did you get?
These.
That says, Happy Easter, Andrew and Jonah. Love you, Moomy.
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah, I love
We gotta send Moomy a thank you card. What are those?
Mom, look.
Ooh, Teddy Grahams and Nutter Butters. Which one are you gonna get?
This one.
Or are you gonna share with Jonah?
Yeah, going to get this.
Jonah's getting the Nutter Butters?
Uh-huh.
Okay, what else did she send you? What's that stuff I see over there? What is that? Ooh, chocolate covered pretzels. Those are so good.
No, yeah.
She sent you also some, what are those?
Crackers.
Goldfish crackers. And
I
2 Spider-Man cups. Now, can you please, oh, more Jelly Belly beans. Did you like the other Jelly Belly beans that she sent you?
No.
Why? You must have gotten a nasty flavor.
Yeah, these are nasty.
Well, Jojo ate all of his. I think those belong to Jonah, right?
Yeah.
Well, what do you say to Moomy? Hey, what do you say to Moomy?
Huh?
Are you going to say anything to Moomy? What are you going to tell her?
Tell her, I'm going to tell her a heart.
A heart? And what's the heart going to say?
Thank you.
Thank you. Say bye to Moomy.
Hi, Mommy.
Jonah, you going to say thank you to Moomy?
Thank you, Mommy.
Hey, over here. Say thank you, Moomy.
Thank you, Mommy. I need a candy.